You might have heard this word responsive website. Let's see what is a responsive website. You can see this is my website, which looks very nice on desktop devices. When a website is responsive, it adapts to the screen size. No matter you're using the website in tablet, mobile, desktop or bigger screens, it always adapts to the screen size. For example, let me show you. So now you can see this website, how it looks in desktop, and this is how this website looks in mobile devices. So this is a website looking in desktop devices. This is a website how it looks mobile device. If I just increase the screen size, this is how it will look on tablet devices. So this is a responsive website. So no matter which screen size you open this, the responsive design will always adapt to the screen size. I hope now you know what is responsive design, and you can check your website if it is responsive or not, because it's really important to have a responsive website nowadays. And if you want to know how I get 100 out of 100 for Google Page Speed Score, check out this video on the screen. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Have a good day.